Welcome to Secret Chapter 1. In this chapter, the topics that you would be covered are: what is BGV? Why BGV is important? Common hiring mistakes, real case study, BGV history, BGV business scope, and global BGV business scope. What is BGV? Introduction. Background verification is not limited to employee hiring. It is a complete trust system used across individuals, businesses, and properties. Employment BGV helps companies verify candidates before hiring. Domestic verification focuses on local checks like identity, address, and police records. Individual or self-verification helps people build a verified profile for jobs and business opportunities. Tenant verification protects property owners from fraud and legal risks. Both national and international BGV are very important today, especially with remote work and global hiring. A strong verification system ensures safety, trust, and better decision making. Tenant verification protects property owners from fraud and legal risks. Both national and international BGV are important today, especially with remote work and global hiring in the bigger picture. A strong and a secured verification system ensures safety, trust, and better decision making. Employee verification in business. Employee BGV is very essential for companies to verify candidate identity, education, experience, and background before they are hired in the company. It reduces hiring risk and improves workforce quality. Companies can avoid fraud, false profiles, and financial losses by using proper verification systems. Individual and self-verification. Now, self-verification helps individuals to check and validate and maintain their own personal records. It builds trust for job seekers and freelancers, professionals, and even domestic workers like maids, drivers, cooks, and helpers. A verified profile ensures that identity, address, and background details are correct and accurate and trusted. This increases the chances of job selection, client trust, and better earning opportunities for that matter. For households and employers, hiring self-verified individuals reduces risk and improves safety. In today's world, self-verification is becoming a very powerful tool for both the employers and personal credibility. Tenant verification for property safety. Tenant verification is important for landlords and property owners. It helps to verify the identity, address, and criminal background of tenants. This minimizes the risks like rent default, fraud, and any legal issues. Domestic and international verification focuses on local verification, while international BGV checks global records, databases, and employment history of the employee. This is very important for multinational companies all around the world, remote hiring, and global workforce management. What is BGV? Now, background verification is the process of checking and confirming the details of a person before giving trust. It helps organizations make safe and informed hiring decisions. In today's environment, many candidates may present false data or incorrect information. Without verification, companies can face financial loss, data leakage, and ultimately the company's image can be tarnished. A proper background process, verification process, includes identity checks, address verification, employment and education validation wherever it is required, and criminal and credit checks as well, for that matter. This ensures that the information provided by a candidate is true and completely legitimate and accurate. Always remember, trust is very important, but verification is more important than the trust. Now, financial loss, data leakage, client trust loss, and reputation damage. Even one wrong employee can create a very big risk or a problem in the company. How BGV helps to overcome that problem? BGV helps companies check the absolute truth before hiring. It confirms the person exists, the person is real. Documents are genuine and properly legitimate and validated, and experience is correct and not false. Why smart companies use BGV? BGV protects the company from fraud employees, like I mentioned before. It helps in safe hiring, better decision making, and long-term growth of a business. No verification means high risk. BGV is not a cost, it is protection. That is such an important line. Why BGV is important? It is very important for every company. Today, many candidates give false or wrong information while applying for the jobs. Some show fake experience, some use fake resumes or fake documents for that matter. Some hide their past problems. What happens without BGV? If a company hires without checking, it can face very grave and serious problems. Now, the common hiring mistakes. Many companies make simple mistakes while hiring employees. The biggest mistake is not doing the background verification. Companies trust the candidate only based on their resume, reference, or the interview that they have been conducting. Another common mistake is believing everything that is mentioned in the resume. Some candidates show fake experience or wrong information, like I already mentioned before. Some candidates have completely a mismatch between what they are saying and what is mentioned in their CV. If the company does not validate, the wrong person gets hired and selected in the company. No proper document check is also a big problem. Companies sometimes do not verify Aadhaar, PAN, and educational documents and certificates. This creates tremendous amount of risk for the company. Hiring in a hurry is another mistake. When there is an urgent requirement and deadlines have to be met, and it is very aggressive, then companies hire very fast without checking the proper validation of the documents that the employee submits. It means high risk. A proper BGV process includes identity checks, address verification, employment and education verification, and where required, criminal and credit checks as well. This ensures that the information provided by a candidate is true and reliable for the company. Many companies also skip reference checks. They do not call the previous employers and the organizations to validate the information, and issues remain hidden. Too much trust is also risky. Some candidates speak very well in the interviews, but good communication does not mean the person is believable or honest, for that matter. Simple example, a company hired a person without checking documents. Later it was found that all the documents were false. As of now, you got to know about the basic standard information about the background verification process. If you would like to know more and advanced information, then there are 3 ways to learn that advanced information. Number 1, you can either buy the book, which is the self-learning. Number 2, you can either buy the book plus the recorded video course, or there is another option, which is the book, recorded course, and live industry expert solutions, case study based approach. Any of these 3 methods, enroll today or click on the link given below.